Hello, friends! Do you know how people travel from one place to another? We use something called transportation. Let's learn about the three main modes of transportation: land, air, and water. Ready? Let's go! Land transportation. First, we have land transportation. That means vehicles that move on roads or tracks. Examples: car, a small vehicle that takes people from one places to another quickly. Bus, a big vehicle that carries many people together. Bicycle, you pedal with your feet to move. Train, a long vehicle that runs on tracks and carries people and goods. Land transportation helps us go to school, work, or even on fun trips. Air transportation. Now let's fly into the sky. It's time for air transportation. These are vehicles that travel through the air. Examples: airplane. It flies high in the sky and carries people far away. Helicopter. It has spinning blades and can go up, down, and even hover. Hot air balloon. A big balloon that floats in the air and gives a slow, peaceful ride. Fighter plane. A fast and powerful plane used by the military to protect the sky. Air transport is the fastest way to travel long distances, like from one country to another. Water transportation. Now let's sail on the waves. It's time for water transportation. These are vehicles that move on water like rivers, lakes, and oceans. Examples: boat, a small watercraft, fun for rivers and lakes. Ship, a big boat that carries people and things across the sea. Speedboat, a fast boat that zooms on water. Ferry, a boat that carries people, cars, and even buses across rivers or seas. Water transportation helps move people and cargo across long, watery paths. Let's remember what we learned today. There are three main modes of transportation: land, like cars, buses, and trains. Air, like airplanes and helicopters. Water, like boats and ships. Transportation helps us travel, explore, and connect the world. Great job, friends! Now you know all about transportation. Which one is your favorite, land, air, or water? See you next time for more fun and learning. Bye-bye!